Hello again, guys. I'm back, and today I got 5 of these from Dollarama. These are the new versions of the surprise bags, $2 each, and mostly loaded with crap. Supplies are always good though. So let's get these other bags out of the way. Try to make this fast today since there's 5 to open. Oh, supplies right off the bat, boys. The best one to get, card sleeves. Alright, so we got 1000 Point Club, 6 official trading cards, and 70s and 80s. '70s and 80s first. Peter Stastny, Pierre Turgeon, and Andre Savard. Some decent names there from back in the day. Alright, 6 official trading cards. We got Antoine Vermette, Joe Pavelski. Oh, there's a nice one. Matthias Tarnquist. Black Diamond Prospect card. Kirk McLean of the Canucks. Tuukka Rask. And Scott Lawton. Up next, 1000 Point Club. Kyle Chipchera. Peter Klima. Mark Peterson, used to play for the Montreal Canadiens. And Phil Esposito. Got stung by a mosquito. Alright, let's go to bag number 2. Hopefully we'll get some more sleeves, but who knows? Who knows? Oh, there we go, guys. Sleeves. Sleeves. Alright. Oh, I'll go with the 2000s first. A prospect of Michael Frolik. Wojtek Wolski. Prospects. Oh, another prospects. Christopher Letang. And Wade Redden from Flair Ultra. Alright, 6 franchise pack. Chicago Blackhawks guy, Steve Sullivan. Tony Amonte, Mike Hudson, oh, Chris Chelios, staring at the guy, and Tumo Ruto. Yep. Bo Horvat, Gary Lehman. It's always good to get a Wayne Gretzky card. Ken Baumgartner. And Joe Sakic. Alright, that's it for the first 2 bags. 3 left, guys. What do we got here? Oh, a sealed pack. Pro Set NHL Series 2 sealed pack. And then we have 6 official trading cards, 1000 Point Club, and the 70s and 80s. Make sure they're all before I cut them. Alright, 1000 Point Club coming up first, guys. Adam Oates. Danny Briere. Doug Wilson. And Dmitry Kvartlanov. Oh, another 70s and 80s. Another 70s and 80s, guys. Ken Linsman, Ron Sutter, oh, and Mark Napier, the Montreal Canadiens for the PC. I actually don't have this one. Nice. 6 official trading cards. Daniel Paille, Yuri Sakak, I think he played for the Habs. Michael Granlund, Dave Schlemenko, Brian Bradley, and Nathan Patch. Alright, 2 bags left, guys. Sorry about the mess in the background. I'm not going to clean it up. Oh, another sealed pack. Alright, what we got here? One guaranteed Hall of Famer in this pack, guys. And we have Ryan Getzlaff. Zarley Zalapski, rest in peace, my man. Rob Blake. Andre Lemakin. And Dale Hawerchuk, rest in peace as well, my friend. 2010 to current. Steve Stamkos. Anthony Beauvillier. And Brandon Dubinsky. Now we got a Canadian team franchise pack. A Lyle Odeline. It's part of the 1993 Stanley Cup winning team, guys. And I'm pretty sure this guy can't read or write. If I remember correctly reading somewhere, you can't read or write or both or something. Guy Carbonneau. Patrice Brisebois. Eric Desjardins, also part of the 1993 Stanley Cup team. Alright, guys, we are on my last pack. Surprise bag. Oh, wow, this one's really stuck in there. Another sealed pack, guys. Score 91. Canadian. Alright, do 70s, 80s first. Why the hell not? And we have Hanyu Europe. Yurienpa. Jim Sandlek of the Canucks. Brian Propp of the Flyers. (2010 to current). Matt Murray, who just shut out the Montreal Canadiens tonight with the Ottawa Senators. Boo on him. Cam Ward. And Andrew Hammond. Remember that guy's long winning streak going to the playoffs? And then Montreal beat them? That was epic. Oh, this one didn't cut. Alright, last pack here, guys. Why is this one being a biatch? One superstar card guaranteed. Oh, there was Alexander Barkov. There's a nice card, guys. Scott Stevens. Ryan Walter. Keith Acton. And Alex Pietrangelo. Alright, 8.5 minutes. This was a long video, guys. Thanks for sticking around and watching. We'll see you guys all next time.